Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this vehicle's packed full of great features. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control and speed limiter. This car also features park assist, there's blind spot detection and lane keeping assistance. So let's look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.